Communication skills are vital to your growth in job, career, life, relationships, promotions, absolutely in everything for the 21st century. Whether you're a student or a working professional, you will need to improve your communication skills. This should be your top priority to fulfill your dreams of working globally and excelling in your career. Every single career aspect needs you to communicate well. Whether it is art, humanities, sciences, technology, business, or any freelancing jobs. A lot of students today know basic grammar and sentence structure, but they cannot speak or listen well. And communication skills are about reading, writing, listening, and speaking. In this video, let's look at the top 10 tips that you must follow to improve your communication skills. Number 1. Read, read, and read. Start noting down new words, which improves vocabulary. And the more you read, the better familiarity you get with the language. Keep a reading goal. Example, 30 minutes a day. Do you know all successful leaders, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and CEOs of big companies read every single day? If someone has already done the research and wrote a knowledge bank for you through their experience of 20 to 30 years, why don't you read and learn by just spending a couple of hours? So, reading is the key. Number 2. Start thinking in English. Yes, you heard it right. Start thinking in English. Have you ever thought of this? Does it sound weird? However it might sound, it is guaranteed to work. With so many languages in India, it is natural for you to think in your mother tongue. There is nothing wrong with it, but if you want to learn and speak fluently in English, you also have to start thinking in English. What will help you thinking in English? Reading. Reading again will help you think in English. That was stated in point number 1. So, reading is crucial. Number 3. Start journaling. You should start a journal and make it a habit even if it's crappy. When writing in your journal, it could be rough, without much focus on sentence structure or grammar. Just pour your thoughts on free flow writing. While writing, try to use the new words you have learned that day. Build on synonyms. For example, if you come across a new word like agitated, look at the synonyms for that word in the dictionary. Angry, upset, flustered, ruffled, disconcerted all come under the same meaning. Number 4. Listen and watch English content. Listen to podcasts, watch any internet content in English and observe the sentence structure and the words they use. For some complex sentences and words, keep a book and write them down. Number 5. Do daily homework of speaking in English. Make a rule to converse in English. Example, if it is a friend, try in increments of 20 minutes. And if it is at work, avoid communication in other local languages as much as possible. If you are shy and nervous to even speak with a family member or a friend initially, then speak to yourself by standing in front of a mirror. This works magically. Number 6. Understand your goal and audience. When you are at workplaces or speaking in English, first understand your goal and audience, the person whom you are addressing. For example, if it is a team presentation, meeting with your boss or manager, or addressing a group of people or your peers. It will help you structure your sentences, create the context, and make your communication effective. Number 7. Prepare well before a presentation. When creating presentations or speaking, prepare well. Ask questions. Is this information or presentation aligning to the agenda of discussion or presentation? How do I make this more presentable and attractive? Number 8. Stay focused and practice well. Stay on the topic during discussions. When you are delivering a technical product demo, ensure you are outlining what you want to show. Allow extra time to walk through complex features. Number 9. Use non-verbal communication methods. Use emotions during a conversation. If it is a face-to-face conversation, hand gestures and body language plays a role. Number 10. Take feedback. In any effort you make, whether it is small or big, at home or workplaces, don't forget to take feedback and analyze it thoroughly so you can correct your mistakes and improvise on those. For example, you can take feedback after you complete a team presentation or a speaking or writing engagement. Here, you have learned top 10 tips. for effective communication skills. Now, don't complain or make lame excuses. It will be like you want to drive a car but you don't want to learn how to drive one. So start to put these tips into action immediately. If you would like a great resource that has an inbuilt framework for vocabulary building, reading fluency, listening to the audio for pronunciation of certain complex words, use skillioma.com. Skillioma has a lot of free content. Without spending a rupee, you can start learning immediately on all essential life skills. If you're interested to join a certificate program or learn from premium plans, then look at the description box below or write to contact@skillioma.com for promotional offers. Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.